Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home, and today we're going to check out the Dreo TurboPoly Fan 707S, and Dreo sent us this for the review. So we saw this fan at CES this year, and we were really excited about this technology called Dynamic Wind Motion Technology. It's got a little sensor here on the base that tracks you around the room and it adjusts the fan accordingly. So let's check it out. The fan was easy to set up. Just unbox it, connect up the poles, then secure it in the base. The base is heavy, so be careful when you're putting it together. You can adjust the height up and down easily to accommodate your space. It goes between 39 and 44 inches tall. At first we weren't sure where we were going to put the fan, then we realized it would be great up here in our upstairs gym and filming studio. Once it's assembled, we brought it upstairs and connected it to the Dreo app, though you can also turn it on and use it right away with the Pedestal controls or remote. Let's see how the dynamic wind motion technology works. Turn it on via the control panel, on the remote, or in the Dreo app. Push the button that looks like a face, and you'll see the sensor light up on the pedestal. When it's active, it will follow you around the room. As long as it can see you, the sensor will adjust. It won't turn all the way around. If there's more than one person in the room, it will follow the motion. It'll also adjust the fan speed as needed as you move farther away. If it's not following you, you can wave your hand in front of the sensor, and it will adjust. Dreo calls this a pedestal air circulator, which makes sense because it's not just for cooling. It uses 3D oscillation, which means that it can oscillate horizontally and vertically, circulating the air in the room, much like a ceiling fan. It works great here in this room, but it will also work in even larger rooms since it can reach up to 110 feet. They call it TurboWind. With the remote or on the control panel, you can turn it on and off, switch between normal, auto, and turbo mode, manually adjust the fan speed, set a timer, and adjust the vertical and horizontal oscillation. Using the Dreo app, you can access more features. Natural mode will alternate speeds to keep the air in your room fresh. Sleep mode will step down the fan speed automatically as you fall asleep, twice every 30 minutes to make it quieter. Note that if the set speed is at 3 or below, it will not change. At its lowest setting, the fan is whisper quiet at about 25 decibels. Custom mode allows you to create presets that will automatically adjust the fan based on the ambient temperature that it's reading from its built-in temperature sensor. From the main screen, you can quickly set a timer, a schedule, and see the current settings and temperature. Through the Dreo app, you can also connect it to your favorite voice assistant. We use Alexa. Alexa, turn off Dreo fan. So that's the Dreo TurboPoly Fan 707S. We really like using it up here in our gym, and we think it would make a great addition to your bedroom, your living room, or wherever you want to be more comfortable. Thanks for watching.